In today's class, our focus will be on exploring the intricacies of domestic water supply plumbing. Plumbing involves arranging and connecting pipes, fittings, and machines to supply water and remove liquid waste from buildings. Domestic pipeline fittings include essential components. 1. Stop cork, controls water flow in supply pipes with a crutch handle. 2. Drain cork, connected to water supply pipes to drain water. 3. Gate valve, controls water flow in distribution pipes. 4. Taps, open to access the water supply at the end of the line. 5. Elbows, change the direction of water flow at angles. 6. T, joins 3 pipes at a junction, dividing flow into 2. Domestic water supply pipeline system. Underground mains distribute water to various outlets. A 30 meters diameter community pipe connects to the water authority stop cork in a pit at least 80 centimeters deep. Main pipes supply kitchen sinks, outside taps, and elevated tanks. Baths, water closets, basins, and hot water systems are gravity fed through a 22 meters diameter pipe from an overhead storage tank. Water storage tank. Essential for an inconsistent water supply. Reasons for storage tank use include varying water demand, low pressure distribution, and supply interruptions for repairs. Sinks. Made from stainless steel or enameled steel. Equipped with pillar bib taps, overflow holes, and stoppers. Sink blockages can be cleared with a plunger or by unscrewing the clearing A for wire probing. Basins. Usually made of ceramic. Similar components to sinks. Baths and showers. Baths made of enameled cast iron or acrylic plastic. Showers offer economical water use and better hygiene. Water closet, WC. Essential for proper waste disposal. The cistern contains at least 2 gallons of water. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.